In this video, let me show you how to change servers and Hero Wars. Once you've finished the first part of the game, basically the tutorial or training section, you'll unlock most of the features in the game, including the ability to change your server. Keep in mind, you can only change your server and keep your progress if your account is properly bound. So make sure to bind your account first in your settings to avoid losing anything. Once your account is secured, go to the top left corner of the screen, press the Change Server button. From there, you see a list of available servers. Just pick one from the list. Each server allows you to have a separate character or line of progress, so switching servers doesn't erase your progress on others. You can move between servers anytime, as long as your account is bound. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.